Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hasan and you can call me Toa. I am from Chemistry B. And then I will explain my resume about water cleanliness. So, keep the water clean. Water quality from time immemorial. If you bring up the law of conservation of mass, then the water does not go anywhere. The water we feel today is the same water as the water at the time of the Prophet Adam. The water that Prophet Adam drank, the dinosaurs, that the water we drink today, because our earth is one. Because the use of water continues to be inherent, we must maintain the water cycle. Keep the water clean for the good of our children and grandchildren. We have to think that the quality of water from generation to generation is getting lower. It must all be our shared responsibility. Awareness is needs to take care of the water heritage. Water treatment in industry is more complex or complicated than water from households because the composition or water content from industry is very heavy if discharged into the environment. Pumping air into water will change organic and inorganic components. Inorganic components can form oxides while organic components are decomposed by microbes. And then was cleaning process. First, the water enters and at the same time, the air is pumped to it. And this stage here is also a filter to filter large waste so that the waste from the waste does not clog the pipes. If not done, it can make the pipes clog, and this is a big problem. The uniform bed is used to balance the composition and volume so that the treatment can be carried out uniformly. The water is continuously aerated so that it is in contact with the air. Then the water is given microbes that can break down organic solids and reducing nutrient levels. The amount of pollution can be reduced by adding microbes. And why use microbes? Because it is natural, cheaper, and does not require high energy. And then when we using chemical, it will cost a lot. And the process will also be more dangerous. Breeding microbes is very useful because they feed on nutrients. It is possible if the waste conditions are very concentrated to kill microbes. Maybe yes or maybe no. Because there are several sets where microbes cannot be added directly, but some chemicals must be added. So, in its use, there is a condition that the waste treated by microbes is not too heavy. Those processed by microbes must be favored by microbes, such as organic compounds. When processing inorganic pollutions, the microbes can die. The number will indeed because the number will indeed increase, but later the graph of the ability or activity will decrease. In the clarifier, it is always start slowly, so form a precipitate at the bottom. And in this way, the precipitate will be more easily formed. After that, the sediment is taken and dried until it is completely dry, so it does not rot. If the sediment it is possible to become compost, then his sediment will become compost. After water is deposited, it is drained and disinfected. Why is it being disinfected now? Because if given from the start, it will kill microbes. After that, a sample is taken from the water and test whether the fish can live in it. And then, on average, what is said to be waste is polluted water. It is not permitted to be discharged directly into the environment, but must be treated first. WDW, or wastewater treatment plant, a sugar factory, has a very concentrated waste character. The stage are the first inlet or water in. Inlet is water in. If the water comes out, the name is outlet. Wastewater from household, industry, etc. is distinguished after entering through the inlet. The waste enters filtering to filter out large waste so as not to interfere with the next process. After that, it enters the equalization pool, which function to accommodate the excessive amount of water. Because the amount of water of waste varies in volume or concentration each time. And then enter the uniform pool. After that, it goes into the cooling pond to cool the waste. And then enter the biological aeration pool. Usually, in this pool, microbes are added, and in this pool, oxygen and waste for easy decomposition or degradation. In this pool, also use sunlight to facilitate the degradation process by means of this aeration. The ions are contacted with oxygen, so that ions form the oxide so that it can settle. Then the waste becomes simpler. After being a simple waste, the waste will become easier to settle. After that, it enters the clavier pool, which function to purify or separate liquids and solids. And then the deposition stage, after which it enters the sand filter, and it is in this sand filter that absorption usually occurs. After that, enter the lagoon and control stage, which is a large pond that is usually give fish it in to check whether the water is good or still dirty. Then enter the water meter stage where the water is analyzed whether the water is suitable for disposal or not. And then the last one goes to outlet stage. So it can be concluded that we as human beings must not destroy the environment, pollute the water. We must not dispose of waste at will because water is a legacy that we will pass on to our children and culture grandchildren. So that our children and grandchildren consume clean water, we must maintain the cleanliness of the water, such as not throwing household waste carelessly. Hygiene is part of fight, so we as Muslims are required to maintain cleanliness. That way our environment will be clean and prevent flooding. Thanks for watching. Mungkin itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.